How to fix Hik Connect app error code 47. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch any of the app that runs on internet other than Hik Connect and check if app works or not. If app doesn't work, it might be the issue in your internet connection. So what you have to do is launch your settings, click on the option of Wi-Fi, click on the network you are connected to and click on Forget this network, and then give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. And then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, launch your app store. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Hik Connect, and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. And then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, you have to clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, open this option General. Head towards the option of iPhone storage. In this page, you will be able to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head towards the app Hik Connect, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solution doesn't work for you, you can apply next solution, that is you have to delete this app from your device and reinstall it. Now go ahead and click on this option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you have just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your app store, search for the app Hik Connect and install it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Hik Connect app error code 47. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.